Getting a Cuba visa from the UK, 7 questions answered in 5 minutes. Yes, every UK passport holder needs a visa to visit Cuba, and that includes children. Since the 1st of July 2025, this means an e-visa. You apply online before you travel, and it is checked when you arrive. There is no tourist visa on arrival, so it needs to be sorted before your flight. For years, travellers used the paper tourist card. Cuba has replaced it with the e-visa, which has been mandatory for tourists since July 2025. The paper card is no longer issued. If a guide or a forum post still tells you to buy a tourist card at the airport, it is out of date. Through our service, the standard e-visa costs £22 per person. That is a flat rate, the same price for every nationality, and it covers the application, the checks, and electronic delivery by email. Priority processing is available for a one-off fee of £8 per application. You fill out one online form with your passport details, travel dates and contact information. It takes about 5 minutes. We check the application, submit it, and deliver your approved e-visa by email. On the priority service, that is the same working day if you order before 4 p.m. UK time, and the next working day if you order outside working hours. Standard takes 3 to 7 days. You then receive your e-visa link to complete the De Viajeros form, and that gives you one PDF combining your health declaration, customs form, and e-visa. That is the document you show when you check in and when you arrive in Cuba. A fair question. It is always worth asking before you pay anyone online. Cuba Visa UK is run by TravelFab Ltd, a UK-registered company, and has processed Cuba e-visa applications since 2014 as the Cuban consulate's endorsed UK partner. There are more than 4,000 verified customer reviews averaging 4.9 out of 5, and a real office in London. Check the reviews yourself before you apply. De Viajeros is Cuba's online entry form. Every traveller completes it within 72 hours before arrival, using the link we send with your e-visa. It combines your health declaration, customs form, and e-visa into one PDF with a QR code, and that is what you show at the border. It is free, and it is the last step before you fly. You can use the e-visa when your journey passes through the United States, for example, a connection in Miami. 2 things to know. The e-visa is only invalid if your journey actually begins in the USA, and if you travel to Cuba via the United States, you will need a B1-B2 US visitor visa rather than an ESTE. The American paperwork takes longer than the Cuban side, so start it early. That covers the essentials. If you have a question we have not answered, the full guides are on cubavisa.uk, and when you are ready, the application form takes about 5 minutes. Safe travels!